In this video, you're going to learn how to make the easiest, quickest, and most delicious guacamole recipe ever. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Living with Luis, where we help you reach your personal health goals and achieve a healthier lifestyle. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going to share a guacamole recipe that will be one of your best go-tos as a snack or as a side portion in any of your meals. It's an incredible option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It goes along with almost any kind of protein like salmon, chicken, ground beef, even eggs. It can be used as dip with broccoli, carrots, or celery. Avocados are incredibly nutritious. They contain more potassium than bananas. They're loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, lowering your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing your risk of a heart disease. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you the rest of the ingredients. We're going to need a quarter of a red onion. Gonna add some cilantro, right? You can add your own preference amount for your guacamole. We're gonna need some chile serranos. These are pretty hot. And of course some lime or lemon, whichever your choice is. Salt and pepper, of course. So when it comes to the cilantro, we want to leave the stems in a little bit, not too many. This is just gonna add some additional flavor to it. So there you go. Alright, let's start with our onion. So as you can see, we're leaving the root out of this. Therefore, if you cut the root off, the onion will start to bleed and you will cry rapidly. So there's many ways of dicing an onion. Let's just make sure we chop it as fine as we can. Alright, so next we have serrano. I decided to add two. I actually like my guacamole a little spicy. So these suckers sometimes are pretty powerful. Don't underestimate them. Try them first with one serrano and then maybe you'd add a second one. Alright, so we will start adding our avocados to our bowl, right, where later on we will crush them with this fork. Just try to dice them with a knife first, then finish them off with a fork. But as you can see, it's just a matter of cutting in that circular form off of the avocado, putting it in there. It can get a little messy. Okay, after we have our 6 to 5 avocados in our bowl, it should start looking a little bit like this kind of consistency right here. I'm gonna make sure we keep on giving that guacamole texture. Alright, now it's time to throw all our veggies we diced up and put them in our avocado mix here. Okay, that's a generous amount of cilantro, but still, it works pretty good. And we are about to mix everything together. Just a second. Alright, you guys, I'd say this is one of the most important parts. We're going to add the salt, the lime, and the pepper. So after we add the amount of salt that we prefer, we're going to add some pepper in there. We're going to give it a good mix, but we're going to taste it. And then we'll see if it's missing or needs any of these three. There we go. Add some lime in there. Oh man. Alright, you guys, so pretty much this is going to be our end result. I can't stress enough how much I like this dish. Again, it's so convenient for so many reasons. It's healthy. You can add it to breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you notice something, I don't put tomatoes in my guac. I don't think they add any other thing than just being a filler. When you eat guac, what you really want is creamy avocado, fresh lime, savory onion, salt, and maybe some cilantro. Other than that, and of course the serrano for the spiciness, but I'm not for adding tomatoes to my guacamole. I'll be posting videos once a week with many other ideas that can be useful for your own personal health journey, and I'd love to have you join me for the next one. Let me know what are your barriers or obstacles keeping you from changing to healthier rituals. Leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, just click that red subscribe button below so that you don't miss my next video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you again. Until next time.